Today I'm going to be doing a video about how to install these little cover things you may have bought from Amazon onto your bare sticks of RAM so they look nice inside of your beautiful PC. But let me angle the camera down at the table so you guys can get a better view. Okay, we are down at the table, and here is the supplies. So you need your RAM, you need the covers, and this is what it'll look like at the end. So it'll go from this to this. So the first step is to remove any stickers that you might have on your RAM. Because you don't, mostly these will have little sticky things that'll stick to this. You don't want a sticker sticking on a sticker because this is supposed to transfer the heat, so it'll help it cool off. But then, there's another sticker on mine. Yours might have two too. Then you want to get, it doesn't really matter which one, but I like getting the front plate first. And you're going to peel that off. And then after you get that, he doesn't want to come. Oh no. Okay, me got it. Me got it. I like that. Me got it. So now after you get your one side of the cover, after you get the sticker off, then you're going to take your RAM, and you're going to try to place it as centered as possible. And if you mess up a little bit, don't worry. These aren't usually super sticky. I mean, mine is a little bit sticky, but I mean, you can always take it off if you really need to. And if this is older RAM that you're using, you might want to clean the places where the cover contacts. But this is brand new RAM, so I'm not really worrying about that. And then next, you have to get your other one on, or the other side of it on. But I have taken the sticker off. If you could tell that I paused the video, I don't even know if you could, because I don't know, but I don't know anything. So this one is a little bit. This one you don't have to align, but you do have to click it in. Well, not really click, but. So there should be little tabs that go into little holes. So you're going to get the one side tab in, and then the other side. So it's going to look like this. And then you're just going to close it up. And then squeeze it down. And then there you go. You have your RAM. In case you're installing these, like right away, or if you're going to install them, then you're going to want to clean the gold pins. So don't use anything wet. I'm just going to clean mine real quick. So, yeah. So as you can tell, any particular thing or anything will work fine. Any shirt, you don't have to be super professional here, but I just did it with my shirt and that should work fine. So I'm going to show you how to install this, because the only reason why you should be watching this video is because you want to put your RAM in. But let's move move over to the computer. Oh, sorry, the shadow's from the tripod. So when you're at your computer, I just want to say that you are gonna make sure that you have nothing plugged into the back of your computer. Hey, sorry, I can't even get a view of the back of your computer. I can't see anything, but right there in your IO, Sorry about that. That was a horrible view. You can't see anything. Wait, let me just show you in the light. Right here in your I/O ports, you want nothing plugged into there. I mean, this doesn't really matter. It's just like a super precautious precaution, but I mean, you could do it anyway. It's just a little thing. But you're gonna need to do a little bit of research, not that much. You're gonna need to look into your manual and see which of these RAM slots are the main stream ones. So this won't really matter if you're installing 4 sticks of RAM or you have an older motherboard with only 2 slots and you're going to install that, or you're going to install 2. But on most motherboards, it's the first one and the third one, or the second one and the fourth one. On mine, it's the second and the fourth. So let me zoom in a little bit. Actually, wait, that doesn't work. Let me move my tripod. So now we're nice and close. So the 2 RAM slots that your RAM go in, which in my case it's the second one and the third one, you're going to pull down the little levers on that side, which this one's not agreeing with me. Please go down, you stupid thing. Okay. Oh, they're all back. So you're going to do those 2. Then you're going to get your RAM. You might want to give it a little extra dusting off. I mean, it might not be dust, but you'll give it just a little bit. But these won't go in either way. They're both going to go in the same way. But so usually the front part will go towards your CPU unless you have some weird motherboard. But let's make sure on both sides it's in the slot. I always can get one side but not both. So after you get that, you're going to just push until you hear a click, and this should automatically pop in. You're going to need to push a little bit firmly, but it's not that hard. So then you're going to it's the same process. Slip it into both ends and push until you hear a click. Hey, he's not clicking on me. He don't want to click. What? He don't want to click. He don't want to click. Well, sorry about that. But this one would be feisty, so I don't know. I'll try to get it and then come back to you if I can get it. So yeah, it did go in. It's just I put one of them on backwards, which I thought I was doing it the right way, but apparently I'm not. Or I didn't do that one. I forgot the way that I did the first one before I took the video. But yeah, we will, what am I saying? Wait, why am I saying wait? Actually, no, you guys need to look at my beautiful face. All of a sudden in the middle, not really the middle, but I don't know, don't know, some random time in the video close to the end, I'm just like, hey! Because nothing's more important. So now the video will be over, and if you were wondering why I was looking over here, it's because I am monitoring my footage. It's a chain. It's the chain of life. It's going down there, because you can see multiple of my hands. Oh no! So let's leave off on a good note, and fortunately, not unfortunately, die.